Hello YouTubers, this is EMDSD14R and this is my 100th video and this is my entire locomotive collection, which consists of about 230 locomotives. And this is my entire locomotive collection. Engine mania going on right here. So I'm going to try to get all of them in here. I got Atlas, Proto, ton of Bachmann Spectrum, Athearn Blue Box, Mantua, Lionel, Athearn Genesis, IHC, a few other companies. They're not for sale. These locomotives are not for sale. I also got Bowser. These have been in my collection since I was 5 years old. I've been collecting them ever since. I got every single railroad that you can think of: Pennsylvania Railroad, B&O, C&O, Amtrak, as you can see, New York Central, Santa Fe, Southern Pacific. I got GEs, I got EMDs, I got Alcos, I got Baldwins, I got Morrison, I got a whole bunch of different other units. I'm going to build a layout to accommodate all these engines, if I can. And I'm planning on the future to get them all equipped with DCC and sound in the future. That's one of my favorite ones right there. Some of them are still in their boxes. And just enjoy the video, y'all, because I'm shocked right now. Oh, I also got Katos in here too. That's one of my Katos right there, US Steel. And my brass locomotives are out in this collection too. So I took all my locomotives that I had in my collection and I brought them out, laid them on the floor. I also got Stewart too. Let's see if I can get in the back there. And I got foreign engines too from Europe and Japan out here, and China. I also got Line too. That's one of my SD60Ms back there. That's my Shea. That's a good engine. My two Acela engines. That's my Stewart U25B for Southern Pacific. Got my IHC GG1s out there. There they are. My Atlas SD35. My other Line. My brass M636 for Pacific Great Eastern. Broadway Limited GG1. And these are all powered, by the way. None of these are dummies. All these engines you're seeing here are powered. Every last one of these engines are powered. 232 locomotives, all powered. I'm going to see if I can. That's my E33 right there for Conrail. My other Reading SD45. My Sioux GP38. My Atlas RSD5 for the Southern Pacific. And a few others. My Western Pacific Jeep 7 right there. My Broadway Limited E units. My St. Louis and Southwestern Atlas RSD5. There's my Rock Island Jeep 9. Hold on, I'm going to maneuver around over here. Oh, I got it, buddy. There we go. Now I'm on the other side. Okay. There's my Burlington Northern unit right there. My B&O Dually Bug. These are all Bachmann Spectrums. My Massachusetts Bay Area Transit F40PH-2. My Reading FA2. My Metro North Railroad P42, my Amtrak P40 number 32, my Athearn Genesis F59 PHI number 450. Here's my other Conrail unit. There's my Delaware and Hudson G38-2 number 7325. Got my rotary snowplow in there, that's powered. I got my Hornby suburban train set in here. Got my Sioux Line Cato number 759. My Bachmann onboard DCC E60s. My Norfolk Southern SD40-2 number 1652. That's a Walthers AMD SW1. My Maryland and Pennsylvania Athearn Genesis CF7. My Southern Heritage Scheme Jeep 59 number 4610. That's a Proto 1000 New York Central Sea Liner. My Atlas SD35, my other one. Here's my Bachmann Spectrum F40PH-2 number 398. My other Southern Pacific Jeep 40, BN F45 and SD24. Southern RS11. My Jeep 30 PH-2. My Milwaukee Renson and Troy number 1934, 70th anniversary. Burlington U23B. My Deep River Logging 2662. My trio here of Union Pacific DD48Xs. My custom Conrail -944CW, custom weathered and painted. My CN Jeep 9 4563. My two F units, Lehigh Valley and Western Maryland, right there. My Broadway Limited Trackmobile. My Bachmann 484-611, right there. My Bachmann Spectrum 2662 and my PRRK4. There's my Rock Island E9, my Athearn Genesis SD75I, and my BNSF SD70M. My two Burlington DD35s, my Sioux Line Jeep 35, my CN-840CW, my four Atlas units. The Illinois Central is a U30C, BN is a U33C, UP is a U33C, and the Santa Fe is a U30C. Plenty of time. I got my EMD Leasing Jeep 38-2, my Southern Pacific Jeep 9, my FEC Jeep 38-2, my Boston and Maine Jeep 18, my Athearn Anniversary Jeep 40X, my Santa Fe F3, and my UP FP9, my DT&I Jeep 40, and in the back there is my Stewart Baldwin switcher. So that's my entire collection right there. Oh, I almost forgot. My Erie Alco PA, my Erie Lackawanna Alco PA, my nickel plate SW1200, my two New Jersey Transit ALP44s, and my SEPTA AEM7 number 2301. The other one should be around here. Yes, there's the other one right there. It's where is it? Right there in that box with my other E60. So I got two SEPTA AEM7s and I got three Amtrak E60s. And here's my Santa Fe dually bug. There's my Erie FA2, my Norfolk Southern Jeep 38-2 high hood, and that's my my ballast regulator right there. My Reading FT103s from Stewart, my FT103 demonstrators from Stewart, my Intermountain F3, and then these two are my custom painted Atlas Jeep 38s right here. And here's my cotton belt Jeep 60. So that's everything. That's my entire collection. So I hope you guys enjoy it, okay? Peace.